The journey of self-improvement is a beautiful one, filled with endless possibilities and discoveries. Through self-reflection and introspection, we can awaken to a new level of consciousness and understanding. Sometimes, all it takes is a single moment of clarity, a sudden realization that changes everything. As we begin to awaken, we start to see the world in a new light, with fresh eyes and a renewed sense of wonder. We start to see the beauty in ourselves and the people around us, and we find joy in the simplest of things. Self-improvement is a journey of self-discovery, where we learn to embrace our strengths and weaknesses and become the best version of ourselves. As we awaken to our true selves, we discover new passions, talents, and interests that we never knew existed. We learn to let go of limiting beliefs and self-doubt, and we start to believe in ourselves and our abilities. Self-improvement is not just about becoming better, but also about finding inner peace and happiness. As we embark on this journey, we start to live more intentionally and mindfully, and we create a life that is authentic and fulfilling. Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, filled with ups and downs. But with each step we take, we come closer to our true selves. Awaken to your true potential and start your journey of self-improvement today. Embrace the beauty of your journey and let it guide you towards a life of purpose and fulfillment.